So the engine parts and the engine oil will not work in harmony with each other, guys. And when it loses its ability to unwind and tangle, it no longer gives proper protection for your engine parts. Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome to Rice Fix. And in this video, guys, I am going to talk about the engine oil grades, the 5W-30, 0W-30, what all this number means. Should we really care about them? All these things I will tell you in this video, guys. It is going to be a very interesting video, guys, so see that you don't skip even a bit. Now before you know what these grades are, you should understand what is the meaning of viscosity. Now guys, viscosity means the thickness of the oil. It is the resistance of the oil to flow, guys. It is how thick the liquid is. So lower the viscosity, faster the fluid flow. Now who grades these engine oils, guys? The engine oil grades are given by something called as SAE. Now what does this SAE means? SAE means, guys, Society of Automotive Engineers. They decide how much the oil grade is because the testing is done, guys. We will talk about that later in this video. So this SAE organization, they decide and they grade the engine oils according to their thickness, guys. So the next thing that I will tell you, guys, is that how to read these engine oil grades, because these grades are written in an alphanumeric way, guys. For example, they are written as 5W-30, 5W-40, 10W-30 and so on, guys. So how to read these characters and what does the code means? Well guys, the first thing that we will see is the letter W. I have written a 5W-30, which is the most commonly used engine oil grade. So the W means, guys, winter, means cold weather. Yes guys, means how thick the oil will be when the engine is cold. And the number before the W alphabet will represent the viscosity, guys, when the oil is in cold weather or when the temperature of the engine is cold. So when the engine is cold, when you have not started the engine, and the outside temperature also matters, guys, on how cold the outside temperature is. So when the engine is cold, how thick or the viscosity level of the engine oil is defined by this number, the number which is before the alphabet W. So the lower this number is, lower the viscosity, the better the ability to be pumped. So it can flow very easily when the temperature is cold. Therefore guys, in extreme cold conditions and when you are just starting up the engine, if you compare the 5W-30 engine oil with 0W-30 engine oil, the 0W-30 engine oil will flow faster, it will reach the engine components faster, like the piston valves and the cylinder walls, because now here the viscosity level is 0, guys. So obviously the viscosity is thin, that means the oil is thin when the temperature is cold. Then if you compare it with 5W-30. Now guys, let's see what the other number defines, this 30 number. What does that represent? Well guys, this 30 number represents thickness of oil at normal operating temperature, which is, guys, when the engine is around 100 degrees Celsius. Now guys, wider the gap between the viscosities means 5 and 30, wider the gap between the number 5 and the 40 or 30, the better it will be the capability of the engine oil to cope with temperature variations, guys. But guys, at the same time, the viscosity of the engine oil can't be too thin or too thick as well. If the viscosity of the engine oil is too thin, then it will fail to give the protection to the engine parts, guys, which will cause higher wear and tear and your engine will wear out more faster. And if the engine oil is too thick, then the flow of the engine oil will be working against the engine force. So the engine parts and the engine oil will not work in harmony with each other, guys. They will work against each other and the moving parts will find it difficult to move, and that is how your engine can wear out faster. So let me give you an example of a cooking oil, guys. When you pour the oil into the frying pan, the oil is at its thickest state, guys. Means the viscosity of the oil is more. But when you turn on the heat, when you light up the fire and when you heat up the oil becomes thin and it runs nicely because now the viscosity has dropped. That is how the cooking oil works, guys. But when it comes to the engine oil, the case is totally different, guys, because this engine oil is a multi-grade oil. And a multi-grade oil gets thicker as the temperature goes up. There is a flow test that every oil has to go through, guys, at 100 degrees Celsius temperature. The oil has to pass that test before it gets the grades, guys, like this 5, 10, 30, 40 and so on. So what this means is, you can make the oil thick when the temperature is more, and you can make it thin when the temperature is less. Now how this can be done? Now the oil molecules such as the PAO unwind themselves when the temperature is low, and they tangle up with each other when the temperature goes high. Now listen to me carefully here guys, because on this you will come to know why you have to change your engine oil at a regular intervals. Now when the engine oil is cold, they unwind themselves, and when the temperature of the engine rises, the molecules are tangled up with each other. Now you drive your vehicle, you turn the engine on, off for so many times. Your engine cools down for so many times, your engine heats up for so many times. So when this keeps on happening guys, your oil unwinds itself, then it tangles back again, it unwinds itself, it tangles back again, and when it does this process for too many times, it loses its ability to unwind and to tangle guys. And when it loses its ability to unwind and tangle, it no longer gives proper protection for your engine parts, and that is the time guys when you should drain that oil and top up with fresh new oil. And that is also the reason why you should change your oil guys. Now some people, what they do is they only top up the oil a little bit. They see there is a drop in the engine oil and they will only top up, they will not refill the entire engine oil. That will not work guys, because now the engine oil which is there inside has lost its capability to unwind and tangle with each other. So it will no longer give your engine the proper protection. So just topping up the engine oil will not work guys. Now guys, this 0W30 means, the 0 means your viscosity level is at 0 level in cold weather condition or cold start conditions guys. So your engine oil will be thinnest when you are doing a cold start. But when you start your engine and when it reaches the normal operating temperature, which is 100 degrees Celsius, the viscosity of the engine oil will reach to 30, making it slightly thicker. Now guys, this 5W-30 is the optimum range of viscosity. It is neither too thin in cold temperature and it is neither too thick in hot temperature. And that is the reason why it is used most extensively. Now guys, there are many types of oil like mineral oil, synthetic oil. Now if you want to know the difference between all of that, then see that you comment below and let me know guys. And I will try to make a video on that as well. So guys, I'm hoping that you have understood what I have told you in this video, and I'm hoping that you have found this video useful. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.